Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the circular flow diagram. So basically what this is going to be talking about is the interaction between firms and households in an economy. So again, this is a basic model. There's a lot of things that we omit because we're trying to show the interaction and highlight the importance of this interaction. So here we have the basis. So we have the market for goods and services, and we have the markets of FOP. FOP stands for factors of production. Basically anything that's used to produce your final product. So land, labor, capital, input, any of that things of that sort are going to be included in the market for factors of production. Markets for goods and services is just an example of any market. So if you go to Target to buy something, that is a market. If you go to the bookstore, that is a market. If you go online to purchase something from Amazon, that is a market. So there's the reason why we call this a flow diagram, because we're going to see the flow of inputs and the flow of dollars. So red is going to be inputs, and then green is going to be dollars, or basically money. So the first thing we're going to do is with inputs. So with inputs, we're going to start with households. So you're a household, you provide factors of production to the market for factors of production. Basically, you provide land, labor, or capital, whatever it may be. So let's just say you have a certain type of skill set that can contribute to a certain type of industry. So let's just say you're a cashier, and you, for example, let's say Target. You work for Target. You're providing Target with your skill set, which is a type of factor of production. They need you to sell their product for whatever reason. They might need you as a cashier, as someone doing stock, whatever it may be. You provide them with some type of benefit. So you provide them with land, labor, or capital. So just quick note, capital in economics is not money. Capital is machinery, any tools used to produce a product. Okay, so the next thing, firms, they hire out of this market for factors of production. They need things from this market of factor of production, so land, labor, capital, to produce any of their product, and this goes for any firm. So they use the factors of production to produce their final product, and after they produce their final product, they sell. I'm just gonna put G and S. So this is goods and services are sold. All right, so the firms, let's just say you work for a company like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola hires you, you provide them with a factor of production, so your labor. They hire you, they produce their final product, Coca-Cola, and they sell it to Target. Target is your market for goods and services. So you're the household, you work, you provide your skill set to this market for factors of production, you get hired, you help assemble this product, the firm hires you, and then the firm, which is Coca-Cola, they sell their product to the market for goods and services, which in this case is Target. Now from there, households like us purchase these goods and services. So G and S are bought. So again, this is connecting households and firms and overall market. So again, I'll go over the example. You work for Coca-Cola, you provide them with a factor of production, you help them produce their product, and from there, they sell their product to Target, and from Target, households buy Coke from Target. So again, it's just connecting everything together. Okay, so now we're going to do the flow of dollars. So we'll start with firms. So firms in this case, when they hire individuals, they have to pay certain costs. So some of these costs are in the form of wages, rent, profit, whatever it may be. So in this case, firms pay wages, rent, or profit. Anytime you see pi in econ, this is profits. Change my color. So wages, rent, and profit. So they pay wages to their workers, or they pay rent for their land that they have, or they pay profits to their shareholders, whatever it may be. So from there, what you get out of it as a household is income. I'm just gonna put INC. you get this form of income. Now, because you have this income, what are you going to do? You're going to go out and purchase products. So households, they go to the market for goods and services, and they spend money. So in this case, they are spending. So think about you, when you've gone to Target, you purchase things that you definitely don't need, but they're still in your cart. Everyone's been there. So you have money from your job. So the firm pays you. You have income. You use that income to purchase products in any market. And then from there, the money that goes back to these firms is revenue. So basically, let's say you work for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola pays you a wage. That wage is in turn your income. You're going to use that income to purchase products from, let's just say, Target. Let's say you buy Coca-Cola from Target. A certain percentage of that goes back to the firm, which is Coca-Cola in this case. So again, you see the flow of inputs, you see the flow of dollars, and how the economy is set up. Again, there's a lot of big things that we omit. One of the biggest things that we omit is the government. The government's not in this model. Again, the whole point of this model is to determine the interactions between firms and households and how the flow of inputs, so things that you need to produce a product, and the flow of dollars. So basically how money circulates in our economy. So if you guys have any questions, by all means, ask away in the comment section, reach out to me. Other than that, this is going to be it for today. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.